Congratulations messages are pouring in for Lerato Nxumalo, guys. She's currently playing indawo ka-owethu laphana ke Genesis. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm back again with Mzansi Celebrity Stories, and namhlanje sikhuluma ngoLerato Nxumalo, guys. She currently tied the knot with her husband. So guys, yeah, bakisi abantu bambongele kakhulu ke uLerato la ezinkundleni ke zokuxhumana, njengoba ke ebopheke ifindo lika Sofa Silahlane nesithandwa sakhe ke saphesheya kuyilwandle. Umakoti ke waphesheya kuyilwandle bakithi. Ayike impela she's officially off the market. It's just a coincidence guys ukuthi nalaphana ke kumdlalo Genesis uyashada. So ke namanje ke lana ke useshadile ngokusemthethweni, usikhombisa ke nering yakhe ukuthi ngampela she is officially off the market. Esibonga ke samkhwenyana cha bandla akasichacha akashongo umakoti uthi nje LP. So ke asazi guys ukuthi isibonga samkhwenyana ke sethini. uLerato Nxumalo waduma kakhulu ke noma ngaqala ukumazi mina myself and I laphana ke kumdlalo iDurban Journey. This was the first time I had an encounter with her kulwa mdlalo, and guys since ke ngamazi lapho ke yeah bakithi ke hayi impela ke akasekho ke kwi-market, uphumile makuthi bosayimise ngokuthi ufuna ukumthatha, cha khohlwa usewuMrs LP. That brings us to the end of this video. Let's celebrate with Miss Nxumalo, Mrs. LP. Bye.